Welcome back to another video here on Foxtecc, your go-to channel for all the tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to use the ChatGPT Chatbot on both Android and iPhone devices. This powerful AI tool can help you generate various types of content, making it an essential tool for anyone needing assistance with writing or creative tasks. Let's dive into the steps for accessing and using ChatGPT on your mobile devices. To get started with ChatGPT on your iPhone or Android device, open your web browser and navigate to openai.com. Once you're there, select the Try ChatGPT button to access the chat interface. If you prefer a more seamless experience, you can download the ChatGPT app from the App Store for iPhone users or the Google Play Store for Android users. The app often provides a smoother experience compared to the web version, with optimized features for mobile use. Next, you'll need to create an account to start using ChatGPT. Click on Sign Up button and enter your email address. After that, set up a password and verify your email by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. To complete the sign-up process, you will also need to verify your phone number. OpenAI will send a 6-digit code to your device, which you will need to enter on the website or app. Once all these steps are completed, you can log into your new account. After logging in, you're ready to start using ChatGPT. The interface is straightforward and user-friendly. You can input prompts for ChatGPT to generate content such as blog posts, advertisements, essays, or even video scripts. The interface features a sidebar where your chat history is displayed, allowing you to revisit previous conversations. There's also a dark mode option for those who prefer a darker screen, and links to frequently asked questions, FAQs, if you need any help. Managing your chat history with ChatGPT is simple. All your past conversations are stored in the sidebar. If you ever need to clear your history, just select the Clear Conversations option. This will remove all previous chats from both the sidebar and the main page, giving you a fresh start. And that's it. You now know how to access and use the ChatGPT chatbot on your iPhone and Android devices. It's a handy tool for generating a variety of content, and the mobile experience makes it even more accessible. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Foxtecc. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you guys later.